When it comes to online communities, two platforms that often come up in conversation are Root App and Discord. While both aim to connect people, they approach community building in very different ways. Let's start with Discord. Discord is one of the most popular communication platforms in the world. It allows users to create servers with multiple text and voice channels, add bots, customize roles, and build large, highly interactive communities. It is widely used by gamers, creators, startups, study groups, and even large companies. Discord's strength lies in its flexibility. You can build anything from a small private group to a massive public server with thousands of members. Features like live streaming, stage channels, screen sharing, and deep integrations make it extremely powerful. On the other hand, Root App focuses more on simplicity and focused interaction. Instead of offering a wide range of complex tools, Root is typically designed to create more streamlined, topic-centered communities. The user experience is often cleaner and less overwhelming, which can be appealing to people who want meaningful discussions without navigating dozens of channels and settings. Root tends to emphasize curated spaces, tighter communities, and a more direct way of connecting with others. So which one is better? It really depends on your needs. If you want advanced customization, large-scale communities, gaming integration, and endless features, Discord is hard to beat. But if you prefer a simpler, more focused environment where conversations feel more organized and less chaotic, Root App might be the better choice. At the end of the day, both platforms serve different purposes. Discord is like a digital city full of activity and possibilities, while Root is more like a carefully designed community space built for focused interaction. The best platform is the one that fits your communication style and your community goals.